2014, St. Louis, Missouri, Slider-Ganza. There is a competition for all line dancers to put something together right now. You stand a chance to win $100 in cash prize. I'm going to tell you what's happening. Here's what you must do. You must go to the website, this link right here. Find one of the Steppaganza remixes, and once you find what you like, put a line dance to it. Also make a video so we can put it out there for public voting. And once you do that, you have the video submission period for the contestants will be open March the 31st. That means you got to March the 31st. Go ahead and get your video done, and then we'll start voting on it April 1st. There must be at least 4 participants in the video showing the line dance. It's a Steppaganza slide competition. You could win $100 in cash. And once you win, you can feature and teach the winning routine at the event and receive the Slider-Ganza 2014 Line Dance Competition Award. Good luck. We'll see you there. Steppaganza, Slider-Ganza, St. Louis, Missouri, Memorial Day weekend 2014. May the best video weird.